Welcome back, students. Today we are going to see the exercise problem number 8 from accounts from incomplete records. So in the previous video we have seen the exercise problems right from 1 to 7, and in this video you are going to see the remaining problems. 8th one, Raju does not keep proper books of accounts. Following details are taken from his records. They've given particulars as on 1/1/2018 and as on 31st of December 2018. Cash at bank 80,000, 90,000. Stock of goods 1,80,000, 1,40,000. Debtors 90,000, 2 lakhs. Sundry creditors 1,30,000, 1,95,000. Bank loan 60,000, 60,000. Bills payable 80,000, 45,000. Plant and machinery 1,70,000, 1,70,000. During the year, he introduced further capital of 50,000 and withdrew 2,500 per month from the business for his personal use. This 2,500 into 12. Here they have given for per month. 2,500 per month. It has to be multiplied by 12 for the entire year. That will be the drawings. Prepare statement of profit or loss with the above information. Just look into the question again. Let us go through the items given in the question. Cash at bank is an asset. Stock of goods, asset. Debtors, asset. Sundry creditors, liabilities. Bank loan, liability. Bills payable, liability. Plant and machinery, asset. So the first step, we need to prepare statement of affairs as on 1/1/2018. Similarly, we will be doing statement of affairs as on 31st of December 2018. So when we prepare statement of affairs as on 1/1/2018, we will be getting the opening capital as our balancing figure. Similarly, when we prepare the statement of affairs as on 31st of December 2018, we will be getting the closing capital as the balancing figure. In the third step, we will be preparing statement showing profit or loss. So we will start with the closing capital, add drawings, minus additional capital, minus the opening capital. We will be getting the profit. So let us move on to the solution now. So as I told you, the first step will be the preparation of statement of affairs as on 1/1/2018. So you can see sundry creditors, bank loan, bills payable on the liability side, and on the asset side you have cash at bank, stock of goods, debtors, and plant and machinery. So when we add the asset side, you will be getting 5,20,000. If we just add the liability side, we will be getting only 2,70,000. The difference will be the capital in the beginning. So 2,50,000 is the balancing figure. That will be our capital in the beginning or the opening capital. Coming back to the second step, again preparation of statement of affairs as on 31st of December 2018. So you will put the cash at bank 90,000 on the asset side, stock of goods 1,40,000 on the asset side, debtors 2 lakh on the asset, then plant and machinery 1,70,000. The total comes to 6 lakhs on the asset side. Now coming back to the liability side, you have sundry creditors 1,95,000, bank loan 60,000, and bills payable 45,000. Total comes to 3 lakhs. The difference between the asset side and the liability side will be your balancing figure, that is the closing capital, 3 lakhs. So we have found the closing capital as well as the opening capital. Third step will be the statement showing profit or loss for the year ending 31st of December 2018. So we will first start with capital at the end, 3 lakhs. We are going to add drawings. So in the question, we have to be very careful while reading the question. They have given rupees 2,500 per month is being withdrawn from the business for the personal use. So we will be multiplying by 12. So 2,500 into 12, 30,000. And then the total comes to 3,30,000. Now deduct the additional capital of 50,000. You will be getting 2,80,000 as the adjusted capital. Now we are going to make a comparison between the adjusted capital and the opening capital. So in the previous video, I told you if the adjusted capital is more than the opening capital, then you will be getting profit. Whereas if the opening capital is more and the adjusted capital is less, you will be incurring loss. In this case, we will be getting a profit of 30,000. Adjusted capital is more. So adjusted capital is 2,80,000 minus the opening capital 2,50,000. 30,000 will be our profit made during the year. So ninth problem. Anand does not keep his books under double entry system. Find the profit or loss made by him for the year ending 31st of March 2019. Cash at bank as on 31st of March 2018 it is 5,000. The brackets have given debit. In the second column 31st of March 2019 60,000 credit. So cash at bank debit is a favorable balance. It comes on the asset side. In the 60,000 as on 31st of March 2019, they've given as credit balance, which is unfavorable. So this item appears on the liability side of the statement of affairs. The next item, cash in hand, asset, stock of goods, asset, sundry debtors, asset, plant and machinery, asset, land and buildings, asset, sundry creditors, liabilities. So they have given opening balances as well as the closing balance. So we will be preparing statement of affairs as on 31st of March 2018 to find out the opening capital. Similarly, we will prepare statement of affairs as on 31st of March 2019 in order to find out the closing capital. So we need to be very careful while preparing the closing statement of affairs because I've given further additional information. So Anand had withdrawn 60,000 for his personal use. This will be the drawings. This will be shown in the statement showing profit or loss. And he had introduced 17,000 as capital for expansion of his business. This will be the additional capital. This item will also appear in the statement showing profit or loss. Create a provision of 5% on debtors. So provision for doubtful debts. So this provision has to be incorporated in the closing statement of affairs. So you have to calculate 5% on this 90,000. Deduct that and show the remaining in the outer column. Plant and machinery is to be depreciated at 10%. So decrease in the value of the fixed asset, you call it as depreciation. Similarly, this plant and machinery depreciation has to be calculated while preparing the closing statement of affairs. Let us now look into the solution. As I told you, our first step will be the statement of affairs as on 31st of March 2018. So we have the liabilities, sundry creditors 1,70,000, and on the asset side, cash at bank 5,000, cash in hand 3,000, stock of goods 35,000, sundry debtors 1 lakh, plant and machinery 80,000, land and buildings 1,40,000. So the total comes to 3,63,000, and on the liability side you have only 1,70,000. The balancing figure, the difference between this 3,63,000 and 1,70,000 is 1,93,000. This 1,93,000 is our balancing figure. That will be our opening capital. Second step, again we are going to prepare statement of affairs as on 31st of March 2019. So we will start with the assets. Cash in hand 4,500, stock of goods 45,000. Third item is your sundry debtors 90,000. As I told you, in the additional information they have asked us to provide 5% on debtors. So on this 90,000, if we calculate 5%, you will be getting 4,500. Deduct that. The remaining is shown in the outer column, 85,500. The next item, plant and machinery 80,000. Again we are going to provide 10% depreciation. 8,000 is your depreciation. 80,000 minus 8,000, 72,000 will be shown in the outer column. And land and buildings 1,40,000. So the total comes to 3,47,000 on the asset side. Now coming back to the liability side, you have sundry creditors 1,30,000. Cash at bank. So I told you when we were discussing the question, the credit in the first item, cash at bank, they have given within brackets as credit. I told you it's an unfavorable balance and it will be the bank overdraft, so it will appear on the liability side of the statement of affairs. So our balancing figure is 1,57,000. That will be our closing capital. Now the third step, statement showing profit or loss for the year ending 31st March 2019. So particulars, amount. We will start with the capital at the end, 1,57,000. We are going to add the drawing 60,000. So we will be getting 2,17,000. Again we need to deduct the additional capital of 17,000. We will be getting adjusted capital as 2 lakhs. We are going to deduct the opening capital 1,93,000. We will be getting a profit of 7,000. You may have a doubt why we are just providing the provision of 5% on the debtors only on the closing balance. Similarly, plant and machinery, the depreciation is also provided only on the closing balances. The previous year's closing balance will be the opening balance for the current year. We will be providing only on the closing balances. Thank you.